Hi, this is Rich from A1 Foundation Crack Repair. Here with my friend Peter from Marshall Insurance, Peter Marshall that is, and we're going to talk about sump pumps, why sump pumps are good, and an unknown fact that you can get a rider on your homeowner's insurance. One, sump pumps are great because the idea of a sump pump is to take water out from underneath your floor. Peter, could you give us some information on sump pump insurance?
Sure, yeah. So sump pump failure is not covered by the standard homeowners policy, but it can be endorsed, as you said. The endorsement is relatively inexpensive, typically $35 to $60, $70, depending on the insurance company. But what that will do is, if your sump pump fails and the water does back up into the house, then you have the coverage. And you just need to make sure that the limit you have on the endorsement is sufficient. For instance, if you have a finished basement, you don't want to go with $5,000 probably. As far as the limit of insurance, you want to go with $10,000, $15,000, $20,000.
Peter, very good information for anybody that's considering a sump pump or has a sump pump. Please let your insurance agencies know so you can have that coverage. Pete, thank you very much.
Thank you.